Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by installing Google Opinion Rewards and signing in with the Google account you use daily. Once done, enable precise location and notifications so the app can offer matched, timely surveys. This increases frequency. Then complete the short profile prompts, age, gender, interests, because they determine which surveys you receive. Do these first steps now to open the pipeline of surveys and begin earning credits quickly. Next, make the app part of your routine. Open it daily to refresh available surveys and respond quickly when one appears. Timely answers often mean more offers. Keep location on and allow prompts about places you visit, because many surveys trigger from trips and store visits. When asked about recent purchases, answer honestly and link receipts only when requested. Accuracy preserves eligibility and can lead to higher value surveys over time. Finally, cash out frequently to Google Play balance as credits accumulate. Small rewards add up faster than you think. If surveys dry up, first verify your account, location and notification permissions, and update the app. Once confirmed, wait 24-48 hours before reinstalling. If problems persist, take screenshots of settings and the app state, then contact Google support. Provide those images so they can diagnose account or payout issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.